Do you ever have one of those days where everything feels off? Like the world is just throwing little frustrations your way, and before you know it, the whole day feels like a loss. Yeah, me too, more than I'd like to admit. But I started doing this one thing that's genuinely made a difference. It's simple, but not always easy. Every day, I find one good thing, just one, and I write it down. Some days, it's just as small as a good cup of coffee. Other days, it's something I read in a book, a beautiful sky, or just the fact that I made it through. But here's the thing. When you start looking for one good thing, you realize there's always something else there, even on the worst of days. We spend so much time focused on what's going wrong. I don't know, maybe our brains are just wired for it. Survival instinct maybe, right? We scan for problems, threats, things to fix. But what if we started rewiring that a little bit? What if we trained ourselves to look for what's right instead? Finding one good thing a day is not pretending, and it's not ignoring the hard stuff either. It's about choosing to notice the light, especially when things go dark. The beauty of this practice is that it doesn't require time, money, or a big shift in your lifestyle. It just takes a moment, a pause, a deep breath, and a little intention. At the end of the day or the beginning, if that's your vibe, grab a notebook, a scrap piece of paper, whatever you have, and ask yourself, what's one good thing from today? Some days, the answer will jump right out at you. Other days, you'll have to dig for it, but it's there. Maybe a well-timed phone call from your best friend was exactly what you needed. Maybe your dog did something goofy. Maybe you just got through a day when you didn't think you would. That one good thing becomes your anchor. And over time, you start to notice them more often. You start to live with your eyes open to the good. For me, this habit started during a season where everything felt like it was just too much. I was burnt out, stretched thin, and going through the motions. I couldn't see the joy in anything anymore. Then one night, I jotted down something small, just a moment I had with my wife that made me laugh. And I don't know why, but I felt a little lighter. The next day, I did it again, then again, and slowly I started seeing these little sparks throughout my day. Not big flashy wins, just honest human moments. And those are enough. We don't give ourselves enough credit for making it through the day. Life is hard. People are struggling silently. And if you're watching this, maybe you're in a rough patch too. So let me say this. Just noticing one good thing doesn't make you weak or naive or unrealistic. It makes you grounded, and that makes you human. Maybe it's not about waiting for a better life to show up. Maybe it's learning to see what we already have. And when you begin to stack those good things up day by day, week by week, you realize you are building a life worth noticing. So if you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or tired, just try it. One good thing a day, find it, write it down, look for it again tomorrow. Thanks for being here. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to find that one good thing, and I'll see you in the next one.